baby, you gonna come out? You gonna come out and play? No, you're not gonna come out and play? Oh, there she is. I got footprints in the snowbank. Yeah, this is the back door. Yeah, here's mommy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. There's Misty. You gonna come out here, Misty? Play in the snow? Oh, Miss Lydia. Is that your favorite spot where there's no snow? Are you gonna dig a snow tunnel? Oh, you gonna dig a snow tunnel? Oh, she dig a snow tunnel. You gonna dig a snow tunnel. It might be high enough for you, baby. Yeah, that's mommy's footprint. I know. I fed this squirrel, so there are footprints. I know. I missed trying to capture a squirrel upside down on the bird feeder. I know, it would have been so hilarious. But, hey, goddamn. If I could take my picture.